Hey guys, Chad Jenkins with SeedSpark Collab. Today I'd like to unpack one of the strongest and most widely used types of collaboration, a joint collaboration. Collaboration is, just as you expected, a joint effort. It's where you have an objective or someone that you're in collaboration with has an objective and you're leveraging your vision, your capability, or your reach, or their vision, capability, and reach to help promote and create the outcome that either one of the parties seek. It could be that you have a new product or service coming to market and you're in a joint collaboration with someone who has extensive reach to your hero target, those that you want this product or service to be a hero to. It could as well be you have more capacity sold than you have capacity to deliver and you're manufacturing, but you have a joint collaboration with all the area competitors. Yes, I said competitors. And you've negotiated pricing where if you utilize their additional capacity, you're able to get it at X price and vice versa. I do a lot of two-way joint collaborations where you yourself have additional capacity and you negotiated pricing so that your competitors could lean into your capacity as well. It takes a pretty mature organization, of course, to understand that their competitors could actually be their clients and they could be their suppliers. But once you elevate to this level, everybody wins. So joint collaborations are where you would establish when this outcome happens, here's how we're going to split it. So in essence, you're enabling the outcome to manage the behavior of all the collaboration partners. You don't have to. I've used this strategy in over, I would say, a few hundred businesses with all types of products and services in just about every type of business you could possibly imagine. And I'm here to tell you, it works. Not one time, not a few times, every time. A prereq to ensuring that your joint collaborations would also work, and keep this handy, never engage in a collaboration that you're delivering something other than your passion. If you've got to go do something, build something, create a team, expand a division, or create a new product or service to establish this collaboration, I wouldn't expect that to be overly successful. When you really get into joint collaborations and the effectiveness of them, when each party is delivering their passion and only their passion, you win. And you don't have to call them and ask for them to come in on a Saturday. It is their passion. So I would say on a daily basis, we're probably establishing between 4 and 6 of these, and I'm so excited about the impact it is having. So thanks for stopping by and learning a little bit about joint collaborations. I'm hoping you can begin to see opportunities for yourself. If you'd like to consider the collab or in collab partners, you can find more information at SeedSpark.com, or you can check out some of our content on LinkedIn, or, of course, many more of our YouTube videos. Thanks again for checking us out.